if you love rice. Here are my steak tips with cilantro lime rice recipe. It is absolutely delish. Will be cooked 2 cups of rice for this recipe. First, cook your rice as you would. Cut your cow in cubes like that. We are seasoning it with our Himalayan pink salt and black pepper. Give it a mix. Squeeze half lime into, and shake it like a real Italian. Here are all the veggies you will need. Chop it. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of green onions, 1 cup of cilantro if you like it. Squeeze in 1½ lime. Add salt and black pepper to your taste. Give it a mix. Set it aside. On high heat add some olive oil to your lady and red frying pan. Get your steak tips in. Cook it for 2 minutes. Flip it and add red onion. Add green pepper. Make a little open in the middle of your lady in red pan. And add garlic. Now, for the kick, add your habanero pepper. Just 1. Let the garlic get a little color and mix it. Remove the tips from the fire. By now your rice should be done. Get a large bowl and place your rice into it. Add your mixed veggies. Mix. Add your tips. Mix it. You are done. Capiche? Let me know if you will try this. Would you?